Hello, my lovely viewers. Today's topic, we're going to look at the 10 profitable small business ideas that makes money daily. Most business ideas videos keep repeating the same things: POS, thrift, food, and everyone is already doing them. So the real question is, where are the less crowded high profit opportunities? In this video, I'll show you 10 underrated business ideas people are quietly making money from every single day. Some of them require very little capital but high demand. If you're tired of saturated businesses and you want something more unique, more practical, and more profitable, this video is for you. Number one on our list is perfume oil refill business. Instead of selling full perfumes, you can refill oils in small bottles. High profit margin, repeat customers, they are easy to carry and sell. You can even brand your own scent line later. Number two is customized gift box businesses. People struggle with gifting, so you solve that by having birthday boxes beautifully and charge for the cost. Number three is car air freshener production. Not many people are doing this locally, and it requires simple materials. High demand from drivers, it can be branded. You sell to Uber drivers, car owners, and even supermarkets. Number four is YouTube automation. Just faceless channel. You don't need to show your face, just voiceover. You stock videos, simple editing, monetize through ads, and this can become passive income. Number five is mini storage or space rental business. People always need space to store goods. So if you have an extra space, you can rent it to small vendors. They store foods for online sellers, low effort, then steady income. Number six is errand and personal assistant service. Busy people don't have time. You can get paid too. You shop, you deliver items, you run simple errands, then start with people around you and grow through referrals. Number seven is digital invitation card design. Events are constant: weddings, birthdays, church programs, child educations. Instead of printing, many now prefer digital invites. All you need is just a phone. You design apps that are low cost but high demand. Number eight is plantain chips and local snacks branding. Not just selling. Branding is the difference. You package it neatly, you add the logo, target supermarkets. It's the same product but high profit. Number nine is WhatsApp television or audience monetization. Build an audience on WhatsApp and charge for it. Ads, promotions, product sales. Once you have attention, money flows. Number 10 is niche laundry, specialized service. Instead of general laundry, you can just specialize on sneakers cleaning, corporate wear only, baby clothes. Just specialization equals to higher pricing and less competition. Be honest, which of these ideas surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I actually read them. Don't wait for the perfect time. Most of these businesses only need a small start, but consistency is what makes the money. If you found this valuable, like the video, subscribe, and I will keep bringing you real business ideas that eventually work. Bye.